Tirupati controversy, Laddu controversy, getting you. And update, the controversy continues over Tirupati Laddus. Now the TTD officials submitted the report copy to CM Chandrababu Naidu on the ghee adulteration and the steps taken by the TTD. The report compares the new and old suppliers and has brought to the fore the many loopholes behind the scam. That is right, viewers. And those are the findings on your screen. What that report says. There seems to be a lot of loopholes, viewers. And the TTD report findings has found a lot of loopholes. Suppliers were supplying poor quality, possibly adulterated ghee. That is right. That is what the report says, that the suppliers were supplying poor quality, possibly adulterated ghee. This is one of the findings in that report, viewers. And we are also learning that the report says that the tests for detecting adulteration were not being carried out. Trained sensory analyst panel with facilities not there for testing. No grading was done as the tender does not mention specifications. I'm reading out some pointers from that report, which has now been submitted to the CM, Chandrababu Naidu. Big update coming in right now, viewers. We'll be connecting to our colleague in just a short while, where the report has highlighted a couple of issues, also saying that suppliers took advantage and started quoting low unviable rates.
बहुत अच्छी बात है और इसके अनुसार समस्त लोगों की जो भावना है और बहुत ही लोग दुखी हुए हैं इसे जो बाला तिरुपति जी के प्रसाद के कारण वह प्रतिबंध लगाने के लिए कहीं ऐसा भी है कि प्रतिबंध तो नहीं लगाया जा सकता है क्योंकि इतने प्रसाद की ज़रूरत है कि वहाँ वितरण करने में कि उसकी पूर्ति लगा देते हैं तो उसकी पूर्ति नहीं हो पाएगी। ऐसे स्थिति में यही है कि उपाय कि उसको अपने ही आश्रम में अपने देखरेख में शुद्ध वस्तुओं को लाकर पेड़ा बनावें और लड्डू बनावें, सामान जो ही ऐसे बनाया जाए जिससे कि वह प्रदूषित न हो, मिलावटी न हो और किसी भक्तों के लिए यह ठीक ठेस न पहुँचे। ये बहुत अच्छी बात है। साथ साथ मैं इसी के साथ और कहता हूँ कि पूरे हमारे देश में, भारत पूरे देश में ही ऐसा किया जाए कि जितने भी खाद्य पदार्थ हैं, चाहे वो तेल हो, चाहे मिठाई हो, चाहे जो भी हो, वो सब पर पहले जांच कराया जाए। जांच कराना संभव नहीं तो प्रतिबंध लगाया जाए क्योंकि देखा जाता है कि जब निरीक्षण कभी उसकी जांच होती है तो सभी जितने खाद्य पदार्थ हैं सब में मिलावट मिलता है जिससे लोगों को बहुत ही कष्ट परेशानी होती है। इस पर सरकार को ध्यान देना चाहिए और इस पर प्रयास करें कि मिलावटी वस्तुओं का जो खाद्य पदार्थ हैं वो जनता के बीच में न वितरण किया जाए।
All right, viewers, let's go ahead and look at these ground reports by my colleague Aderi, who has been on the ground and is getting us what really happens on the temple premises. Amid the Tirumala Laddu controversy, well, now we see that the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam officials have announced that they are holding a Mahashanti Homam, and as you can see right now, Mahashanti Homam is being held here to cleanse the impurity and the misdeeds of the previous government, the misuse of power which was done back then. And also at the same time, what we are seeing is that Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu has
had announced that they will be forming an SIT which will be held by the IG level officer, and also we have been seeing that how there is Shanti Homam, which you can see here is being held by the priest, by the top priest, to make sure all the impurities are cleansed, and also massive outrage over this Tirumala Laddu, where the report shows the presence of fish oil and beef tallows being there in the Tirumala Laddu during the previous Jagan Mohan Reddy's regime, and that is the reason why we have been seeing how this has turned out to be a massive controversy, where on the other hand the YSRCP or Jagan Mohan Reddy seems to be denying these allegations. And also we have been seeing that Jagan Mohan Reddy has written a letter to Prime Minister Modi also to take action, where we have been seeing a Mahashanti Yogam being held here in Tirumala, right as we are reporting right outside the Tirumala temple, where thousands of devotees visit the temple on a daily basis. Near about 60 to 70,000 devotees visit the temple and take the Tirumala Laddu with them as a prasadam. Well, now we'll have to wait and watch what's next, as SIT team will be formed to investigate into this matter, and Chandrababu Naidu very clearly says that the culprits will be punished. A strict punishment will be taken over those who are guilty in this. With video journalist Chanasya for Republic TV. With the Tirumala Laddu controversy, where we see now that the TTD board had decided that they will be holding a Mahashanti Homam here, and joining us right now is a priest from Tirumala temple. Swamiji, what is the process which you have done today? A Mahashanti Homam was held today at the Tirumala temple.
Om Namo Venkatesaya. Past 4-5 days, there is a news spreading all over the world that the laddus of Lord Balaji was prepared by ghee which is containing some animal fat. So finally it was proved. So then government decided if there is any possibility to purify all over the places of inside and around the temple. So then we came to a conclusion that there is a homam in our Vaikana Sagam called Shanti Homam. By performing of that Shanti Homam, yes, everything can be purified. So in that process today morning around 6 a.m. we have taken the permission from Lord Venkateswara to bless us and to give the enough energy to perform these kind of homams. So with Punya Vachanam, we have started with Punya Vachanam, Raksha Bandhanam, and then Vastu Homam. In between that we came out with Vastu fire stick along with Panchagavyas, means the 5 items which comes from cow. So using all those things, we went a round around the inside where the prasadams are being prepared inside the temple. We have used that fire stick, the Vastu fire stick, and the Panchagavyas we have sprinkling all over the places.
Laddu area.
Where the laddus are prepared and where the Anna Prasadams used to prepare. So we made that everything, make paka that everything is purified now. After that we came out of the temple, and in the same this way only we went, and there is some other places where we used to prepare the bundi, and there also we went and sprinkle the water, and we want to make sure each and every corner where the prasadams are being prepared, we want to make everything, every corner, we want to make it perfect, and we want to show that everything has been, even if there is anything, a small particle, if it is there also, we don't want to take any chance. So that's why each and every corner we went and we made it perfectly purified.
So now is everything cleansed, because there is a lot of shock to the people, to the devotees who have come, who have taken the prasadam with them, the laddu prasadam. How do you assure that now everything is cleansed?
So from now onwards, need not to worry. Actually last month itself we have performed the annual Pavitrosams to Lord. The reason behind the Pavitrosams is if there is any mistake knowingly or unknowingly by the priest or by the devotees who comes here or by the staff who are working around the temple. So to excuse from all those things, we do this kind of Pavitrosams every year. So already the maximum things are already covered, but yes, there are still some doubts in people's mind. So we don't, if there is any such a news, we don't want to take any more chances. That's why again we decided to go with this kind of Shanti Homam. So one correction, this is not Mahashanti Homam, this is Shanti Homam.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So that was Swamiji here with us from Tirumala, who says that Shanti Homam was held at the Tirumala temple and the holy water was sprinkled all across the Tirumala premises and the place where the laddu and the prasadam, Anna Prasadam is being prepared. So now the Swami says that the people do not need to worry as everything has been cleansed and a Shanti Homam has been held here at Tirumala. This is Anirisha with Visual Listeners for Republic TV.